Welcome to my channel. This is me Fatima Khan here and you are watching Fun Color with Fatima Khan. Today's video is about creating our own color palette. This will help you in choosing the right shade at the right time when you remember how you made it. And yes, of course, you cannot have all the shades in your collection. This is not preferred by me or any other painter. Why to waste so much amount of money for buying all the shades while you can make them very handy? Here I'm just making an example palette for you. You can make thousands and thousands of shades by mixing 3 primary colors, adding some black, adding some white. As I always mention, whenever you need some depth, just add some gray color in the same shade you are using. And you can make the gray color also by mixing white and black. One thing to remember, do not destroy your paint, do not destroy your shade by adding water in it. If you want to make it lighter, you can add some white, or if you want some depth, you can add some gray, and if you want to make it darker, you can add some blue or red or black if you want so. Let me know in the comments below if this video is helping you. And also do like and share the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I will see you in the next video soon. Take very good care of yourself. Goodbye.